Hello guys, are you guys ready to learn few super easy Excel tricks? Okay, let's say you want to write numbers from 1 to 100. Usually, we'll use the autofill method, but now we have a super easy shortcut. What you do, type 1 in the first cell and then Alt H F I S. Select your rows or columns and then enter the stop value. Boom! The numbers appear magically. Okay, let's say you want to add things up like money, marks. Usually we'll do it one by one. We are so smart, right? Here's the trick. Select the column you need the solution on. Alt plus and is equals to. There you go. No calculator needed. Excel does the trick for you. How about making it a bit more neater? Adding borders? Select the table, then Alt H B and A, and to remove it, Alt H B and N. Tune in for more IT related tricks.